Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys how can you on guys your hotspot in your Samsung phone, and guys how can you use guys your hotspot setting. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you on, off, use and change it. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on your hotspot. So friends, you can see this type setting, and friends you can see there is no any hotspot setting. So friends, you can see guys your Samsung phone connection settings. So guys tap here, and guys finally guys you can see your mobile hotspot. So guys tap here and guys click on your hotspot settings. So guys you can see your mobile hotspot. So you want to on, so guys you can on from here, but guys you will have to enter guys your SIM. So guys I don't have SIM, but guys you want to on guys your mobile hotspot. So guys you can on and off from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off hotspot, mobile hotspot in a Samsung phone. And guys you can check your password you want to change, and guys you can see guys this advanced settings. So guys you can use this setting from here. Hidden network guys, support Wi-Fi 6 standard, Wi-Fi sharing option guys you can on and off from here in your Samsung phone. So guys you can use this like that your hotspot setting, and guys you can on and off from here your mobile hotspot. So I hope friends you have understood how to on and off mobile hotspot in a Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.